We are all very excited about this, and I'll start. I just want to say thank you to all these guys, all the other students that have been in our cohorts throughout the whole time. Everybody's been great and kind of worked together to get through this. And I wanted to say thanks to all the case doctors, specifically doctors, Dr. Hudson, Dr. Duvall. And I also want to thank the front desk. Y'all made our lives a lot easier. Thank you all so much. I want to say thanks to my awesome girlfriend right there. Woo! Most importantly, my mom. She's not here, but all the support she's given me. And yeah, then we wouldn't be here without her.
So I'm gonna keep it short. Thanks to everyone that helped us get here. Thanks to the guys next to me. And then I'm gonna shamelessly plug, I'm sorry, but I have to. I have 7 kittens at home. They need a home. They need a good home. So if you or anyone you know needs a kitten or wants a kitten or thinks you do, they're sweet, I promise. But really, thank you all. Thank God above all else for helping me get here. And I appreciate you.
We appreciate everyone for coming. I want to take my moment to thank just everyone I did this journey with. These fellows right here, it's going to be done without them. I want to thank the front desk staff, all the case docs here, all the faculty. I want to thank the Fiance Club for pushing me to the best I can be. I want to thank my beautiful fiance right over there. Thank God for giving me the strength to do this. So appreciate everyone. Thank you.
Just want to thank all the case docs. You guys are great. The front desk, you guys are always very on time, help us through everything. I want to thank the guys here and just my amazing family pushing me through everything.
So I'll keep it short. So I appreciate everybody, this group of guys around me, front desk, case docs. Y'all made our lives a lot easier, put us to this point. Look forward to using this foundation that y'all gave us to go serve the community.
I would like to thank, obviously, this group of guys. I also owe a lot of gratitude to the Bell, TSC. They helped shape me into who I am today, so I'm thankful for that. Thankful for the front desk staff. Thank you, Princess. And then thanks to the case doctors as well, Dr. Duvall, Dr. Hudson. I appreciate you guys, and I'm excited for the ride that comes ahead. Go Bills. Go Bills.
I want to thank the case docs, Dr. Duvall, see you back there, Dr. Hudson, front desk staff, you guys, the 1,000 emails I sent you. I appreciate you guys. Student ambassadors that are here, everybody, you made it such a great experience. Definitely gonna miss this place. So, thank you.
I just want to say thanks to everybody like them, the boys, everyone in my quarter, everybody at the school has honestly been so friendly and supportive. It always helps when everybody's smiling back at you and caring for you the whole way. Thank you, my beautiful girlfriend Mira up there. Big support system there. Last but not least, go Bills.
One more time, thank you to the guys behind me. Thank you to my friends and family, my mom and dad, my little sister. And this is being videoed, so Alexa will be the first. Dr. White, you'll be the other one. Anyway, thank you to the case doctors, specifically Dr. Duvall, Dr. Hudson. Appreciate you guys. Front desk staff, you guys are amazing. You guys keep this place running. I want to thank everybody that's up here today. It's awesome to see this many of you come and support us like you have the last 13 quarters. So it's much appreciated, and I am going to miss this place, even though sometimes I didn't think I would. So thank you very much, and happy to be at this point, and can't wait for what's to come. So thank you.